Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Halloween is round the corner and so I thought of sharing a Halloween recipe that you can very easily make at your home. It would be perfect for a Halloween party. It gives you a very spooky feels. So yes, and also not to mention, but it tastes amazing. I absolutely loved how it turned out. The recipe is overall very yummylicious. You can add the Halloween touch to make it perfect for a Halloween party, or you can absolutely remove that touch and simply enjoy the recipe. I am talking about the cheesy potato Halloween sticks recipe. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it, and if you wanna know how I prepared this recipe at my home, then without any further ado, let's get started with the video.
We're gonna start by taking about 2 to 3 medium-sized potatoes that are boiled and mashed, and to it add about 1 finely chopped onion and about 6 to 7 finely chopped garlic cloves. Then add about 2 cubes of shredded cheese to this. You can use the mozzarella cheese or the processed cheese for this. Then add in some finely chopped coriander leaves to this. Then add about 1 teaspoon of chaat masala to this mixture. Add salt as per your taste and about half a teaspoon of black pepper. And then go ahead and add some chili flakes to this. You can completely skip it if you don't like it to be spicy. And then give all of this a really nice mix. Also add about 1 tablespoon of corn flour to this mixture for it to bind really well. Now in another bowl, take about 2 tablespoons of corn flour. To this add some salt and black pepper. And then add in about half a glass of water and mix it really well so that no lumps are left. Now taking the potato and cheese mixture, take small portions of it in your hand, give them a shape of cylinder. You can proceed with it as shown in the video. Prepare all the sticks in the same way. Once all the cheese sticks are ready, they should look something like this. Mix the corn flour slurry that we prepared earlier and then dip these potato cheese sticks in this corn flour slurry. Make sure to completely coat with it. Now take out the potato cheese sticks, dump it in the breadcrumbs and make sure to have a really nice coating of breadcrumbs on these cheese sticks. Repeat the same procedure with all the remaining potato cheese sticks. Once done, all of them would look something like this. Now gently toss all of these one by one in medium hot oil. The oil should not be extremely hot or very less hot, else the potato sticks won't fry properly. I am frying 2 sticks at a time. You can go ahead with more. Just make sure not to overcrowd the oil. You can keep tossing it very gently from time to time to make sure it gets fried and cooked from all the sides. And once they turn golden brown in color, take them out on an oil absorbent paper. Once all of these are fried, take them in a plate and pipe out some mayonnaise over them as shown in the video. I've simply taken a poly bag, filled it with mayonnaise, and then I'm just piping out mayonnaise on these potato cheese sticks to give it a look of mummy. This adds the touch of Halloween and spookiness to this dish. If you want to prepare it generally for a party, you can simply serve it as it is. Now go ahead and using the same mayonnaise, add eyeballs to these potato cheesy sticks. And now using kalonji, or as we know it, onion seeds, I'm gonna add the effects of eyeball and place them in the center of the mayonnaise dots that we had applied. And ta-da! Your Halloween spooky potato cheese sticks are ready. Enjoy them with some nice Szechuan sauce or mayonnaise or any other dip of your choice. Happy Halloween!
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do let me know in the comments down below if you'd want me to share more such recipe with you guys. Also, if at all you prepare this recipe at your home, do share your recreations with me on my Instagram handle. The link for my Instagram handle would be given in the description box below. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.